What's up guys, my name is David Pinto. We are back with another video, and today's video is going to be a little bit different from what I usually put out. Generally on this channel, if you do subscribe, yes, subscribe, you will also see a lot of cryptocurrency content, but also just in general me sharing my journey in a lot of things. But today, I'm sorry about that guys, but today let me specifically, I'm not dying, don't worry, it's just I had a cough recently, so I'm just getting better. But you know, I like to come out on these videos and still be real, so sometimes it happens that I do cough. But as I mentioned, today's video is going to be a little bit different. I guess you're wondering if you're in Easy1Up or not. Well, I am in Easy1Up, but this is not an Easy1Up promotion video. Easy1Up is a great product. It teaches you how to market. Okay, it's a simple peer-to-peer commission-based product that is out there in the affiliate marketing space. And this video is just going to show you a bit, if you're in Easy1Up, why you need a system. Now, Easy1Up has a few things that are really important. Okay, firstly, let's look at the product. Okay, it has a great product. I'm going to pause the video, guys. It has a great product. It has different levels. You have 25 right up to $1,000, 500 here, and $1,000 level. And in the $1,000 level, you get a lot of interesting and also useful content. Okay, up-to-date content that you can use on actually getting traffic to your office and making those sales. Now, one of the things that people are struggling with in affiliate marketing on a day-to-day basis is how do you make a sale. So if you're on Easy1Up and you're wondering, David, how are you going to promote Easy1Up? I follow a simple strategy, which I think every single commission that you make in Easy1Up should be used, a portion of it. Okay, so say you divide how much percentage of the commission, you take a small commission and you put it aside for traffic. Okay, formula is pretty simple, but you need to have a way to present Easy1Up, and not just the generic sales funnel that you can see right here in the video that you can see right here. It's good to have somebody personalized, or at least a leader using the system that they have. So today I have a solution for you guys, all of you in Easy1Up. If you want a solution, I'm gonna give it to you, okay? What I want you to do is, below in the comment section below, you're gonna find a link, okay? And the link is gonna take you to a system. But before that, I want to show you the system. I'm going to give you an inside look. When you get the system is called Online Sales Pro, okay? And when you get it through me, since I'm a part of Team Mansell, I'm going to add you to the Team Mansell group, okay? I am a part of Team Mansell. I am Easy1Up, part of Team Mansell with Easy1Up as well. So in case you do get started with Easy1Up with myself or Team Mansell, or basically just get the system. And if you're already a part of Team Mansell, you can just get the system, depending on you, if you want it, okay? But there are two ways I do it, and I'm going to show you very specifically. If you're part of Team Mansell, you should be already in Online Sales Pro through the Team Mansell group, okay? That's why I suggested you go, not through me, but through the Team Mansell group, because that's going to help you get this funnel, this funnel right here, which is specifically for Easy1Up. So Team Mansell has created an Easy1Up funnel which you can use through Online Sales Pro. Okay, but if you do get Online Sales Pro, you should see a link to this. Okay, let me just clearly show you very specifically. You're gonna see a link right like this. Okay, check out Online Sales Pro, see what it does. But you can use this system right here in order for you to do your sales. So this is gonna be the link in the description. You can watch a demo if you want to see what it does. In 90 seconds, you can see the whole tool and how you can use it. And if you want it, you can just go here, okay? But you should have a way to present yourself, and this is how you're doing it. So if you're in Easy1Up and with Team Mansell, depending on you, you definitely can use it through the third-party funnels within Online Sales Pro. Or you can go right here, for example, third-party funnels, okay? And you can select Easy1Up. And here, there's another funnel. So this is not with Team Mansell. This is another funnel that we have. So you have other funnels that you can use, okay? And this funnel is of a story of a guy who you might know, Riley Hunter, who has an Easy1Up and he's doing phenomenally well in Easy1Up. You can use this for your Easy1Up profiles. But you may ask me, and this is a question that I get, okay, I get it, you need a sales a way to present it day in and day out. Yes, but the formula is simple. What I use is I go to Udemy. Okay, Udemy is the place that I go to. I look to find sellers or go to solo ad deals. I choose the quality of solo ads that I want to send, and I pick a weekly amount, guys. That means every single week I'm going to send a certain amount of traffic, solo ad traffic, to the link. Not this link, but the Easy1Up funnel. Okay, and as soon as I make a sale here, I take a portion of that money and put it back into traffic. Take a portion of that money and put it back into traffic. You see the consistency. And with this plan, it's a very simple plan. You're going to start to see more sales in Easy1Up. So again, like I said, this is not a promotion for Easy1Up for me. It is for the tool that helps you get more sales in Easy1Up. Further than that, you can also create your own funnel here. Okay, and this is what I would suggest anybody to do because I do it myself. Okay, I would use the possibility to create your own funnels right here, your own tools right here. As you can see, I can go on and show you a lot of things that I've been doing. But you can use this specifically to create your Easy1Up, personalize it, and start to sell Easy1Up on a day-to-day basis and using the traffic source right here. That's about it for me, guys. I wanted to show you and give you this small formula. If you haven't got, you can use this for Easy1Up, you can use this for other traffic sources, but I wanted to talk to you specifically and give you a little bit of a strategy on how you can create a consistent flow of traffic. Okay, so make a sale, a portion of that goes into traffic. Make a sale, a portion of, even if you make a $25 sale, at least put 10% of that into traffic. Okay, put it aside. Even if it's $1, put it aside. Put it aside until you have enough to buy another traffic order. Okay, it's really important for you to do that because if you're not doing a consistent flow of traffic, you're not getting enough people to see it. And if you don't get enough people to see it, no one's going to buy it because you're not showing it to anybody. So when they say hustle, it means to take action. So right now what I want you to do is click on the link below. It'll take you to this page, check out the tool because you need a way to present it. You need a way to present it. I definitely love it. I've been using the tool for almost 2 years now and I think it's well worth it. Okay, really well worth it. Check out the link in the description and get back to me if you have any questions. Comment if you like the strategy at the end of the day that you see here, okay? That there's a consistent flow of traffic that's going. I use paid traffic because it's just faster than using free methods. Free methods take quite a bit of time in my experience. I've been online for the last 5 years, guys, and I'm still paving the way for my dreams to come true. And I know you can too, okay? Have a great day. Cheers, and I'm going to see you on the next video.